Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another in a series of easy veg lunch recipes. Today's recipe is easy, tasty and very healthy too. We are going to make a traditional karivepille sadam, that is curry leaves rice and potato fry. I have already cooked rice in my pressure cooker and kept it ready. We'll keep it. For this it is best to take fresh curry leaves. Wash them very well. So in a pan, we'll first dry roast these curry leaves. Do it over a low flame till they become nice and crisp. See, they have become nice and crisp. Now you can remove it from the flame. Next, in the same pan, just take about a teaspoon of oil. Add about 2 tablespoons of urad dal. One and a half tablespoons of chana dal. Half spoon of jeera. And half of black pepper. I am taking 3 dry chilies. We'll roast all these ingredients well. Also half a tablespoon of coriander seeds and roast everything well together. For this, hing or asafoetida is essential. So I am using this cube, 1 cube of this hing. We'll add it to it and roast all the spices together. See, now the dals are well browned, all the spices are roasted. We can switch it on. At this stage I am adding a very small piece of tamarind to it and just mix that also. Roast everything well together for just another half a minute more. Remove it on a plate. Allow it to come down to room temperature. Then we'll blend it into a powder in a mixie jar. A good combo would be to have some fried appalam or papad to go with this. So here I am heating some cold pressed groundnut oil. Carefully slide in the appalam and deep fry it. Drain out the oil. Next we are ready to make the potato fry. I have just thoroughly washed the potatoes and chopped them into pieces along with the peel. Now I have drained out the excess oil. The remaining 2 tablespoons of this cold pressed groundnut oil I have retained to make this fry. When the oil is hot, we will add in some mustard seeds, urad dal, some powder hing, and then drain out these chopped pieces. Next, add in turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. I am just adding a little bit of this Kashmiri chili powder for color. Mix everything well together and allow it to cook over a medium heat till it is well done and nicely roasted. For that it is ideal to use an iron pan or a heavy pan so that you get the perfect potato fry. See, the spices are blended. Now I am adding this roasted curry leaves to this and all together. See, our lovely curry leaf powder is now blended and ready. We'll just add some salt to it. Mix it well together. See, our potato is also well roasted and done. Now I'll switch it off. I have opened the pressure cooker. The rice is also well done. I have used the regular Sona Masuri rice which we use at home for our daily cooking. Take out the required quantity of rice and add a teaspoon of this til oil. Just separate the grains. Heat a spoon of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, 1 dry red chilli, a few curry leaves. Pour this tempering on top of the rice. Here I have taken a tablespoon of this groundnuts or peanuts. Roast them also. The groundnuts are well roasted. Add it to the rice. I am adding in this curry leaves powder, freshly made. Mix it all together. Just adding some more rice to it. Now if you find this a little dry, then you can add a little more of this til oil to it. Just a teaspoon more. You can mix this ahead of time and serve it as a lunchbox recipe too. It's not necessary to serve it hot. Now we'll serve out the required quantity. As I said, you mix in the rice and the powder as per your taste so that you can always add in whichever you want. And then we have this lovely fried appalam and this delicious potato roast to go with it. In case you have some quantity of this curry leaf powder left, no problem. Store it in an airtight box and you can use it for the next time also. You can even just cook 1 cup of rice, half you mix with curry leaf rice and remaining half you can have as curd rice too. Anytime you can make this nutritious and tasty traditional Karaveppilai sadam or curry leaves rice. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you get the latest updates. Thank you.